Hey guys, so this is how you're going to connect Excel to N8n. So the first thing that you're going to do is to head over to your N8n dashboard, and then from here just click on create workflow. Now once I click on that, it will take you to the automations page. So we are going to start from scratch. So I'm just going to delete all of these automations that we already have. So from here, you're going to click on add first step, and then you're just going to look for Excel, or you can search for it. So we are going to click on Microsoft Excel 365, and then from here you can choose the triggers that you want. You can choose the actions that you want. Like for example, we want to create a table or maybe add a sheet to work, or maybe we want to append data to a sheet. Just literally just how just which action you want to use. For example, we want to update this sheet. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add a credential. We're going to select a credential that we want to connect with. So let's click on create new credential, and then from here you're just going to click on connect my Microsoft Excel account. So just click on connect my account, and it will automatically, or it will prompt you to log in to your Microsoft Excel account. So all you have to do is to sign in with your account, and then that's it. It will automatically be connected to N8n already, and you can start automating. And that's it. That's how you connect Excel to N8n. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.